Welcome. If you've ever tried to find all the comments you've made on Facebook, you probably know how tricky it can be to track them down, especially with all the updates the app gets every year. But don't worry, because in just a few simple steps, I'll show you exactly how to see every comment you've ever left on Facebook, all in one place. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Once you're on the main screen, tap on your profile picture or your name to go straight to your personal profile page. This is where everything about your account lives: your posts, photos, friends, and yes, your comments. Now, look just below your profile details. You'll see a button labeled Edit Profile. Right next to it, there's a small icon with 3 dots. Those 3 little dots hold a lot of hidden shortcuts. Go ahead and tap them. From the menu that appears, find and select Activity Log. This is Facebook's record of nearly everything you've done on the platform. It keeps track of your posts, reactions, searches, and so much more. Once you're inside the activity log, scroll a bit until you spot the interaction section. Tap it. Here's where things get organized. You'll see several options, but what we're looking for is called comments. Select that, and there it is, your full list of comments across Facebook. You'll notice that every comment is sorted by date, starting from the most recent. You can tap on any comment to revisit the exact post it came from, or if you'd rather clean up your digital footprint, you can delete comments directly from this section. This feature is great if you want to find an old conversation, revisit a discussion, or even just keep track of what you've said on different posts and pages. And that's it. You now know how to view all the comments you've ever made on Facebook. If this guide helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more quick, easy tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching.